On construction sites, personal protective equipment is crucial. Before entering, ensure you wear a hard hat to protect your head from falls and impacts. Safety boots with steel toes safeguard your feet from heavy materials and sharp debris. High visibility vests improve visibility, making machinery operators easily spot you. Gloves shield your hands from injuries, while safety goggles protect your eyes from dust and particles. Ears must also be protected in noisy locations. Properly worn and consistently used, PPE prevents numerous injuries annually.